Hello friends, today I'm sharing a real experience. One of our loyal client companies, who always chooses us for their properties, had a Lamona dishwasher with issues. I went to fix it. Now, as you can see in the footage, the fascia panel was broken. Before turning on the camera, I checked everything, and unfortunately the control board buttons were not working either. But we had already ordered all necessary parts the day before. Now let's begin replacing them together. To remove the cabinet panel on the door, first we need to unscrew the attached screws. Once the panel is detached, we'll have easy access to the control board and the control panel. After we've removed the cabinet panel from the door, we can easily start unscrewing the control board and accessing the internal components. After we open the control panel, we unscrew the control board and PCB, fully separating the panel from all electrical components and wiring. I really appreciate you all for being here. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe, like, share it with someone who find it helpful, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a thing. Oh my gosh, this panel was completely loose and it was just held on by a single cable tie. As you saw, as soon as I cut that, it just fell apart. Alright, we'll continue removing all the electronics and we'll take out the on-off button as well, so the panel is fully separated. Wow, what a difference between the new panel and the one that's been used for years. You can see the colour, it's crisp, clear and bright, while the old one was so worn out and yellowed. Alright, let's start assembling. So, since the control board had issues, just like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, now we'll disconnect it and replace it with the new control board. After we remove the control board, we'll start removing the display lenses from the old control board and place them onto the new control board. Then we'll assemble the two buttons and the start button light lens. Start reattaching the control board, the PCB and the door lock back onto the control panel. After we've made sure everything is connected, we'll start screwing the panel back onto the door in its place. Let me remind you again, make sure to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell. By the way, the Samsung washing machine I had posted a video about has already been given away, and I'll be sharing the giveaway video with you soon. If you'd like any appliance or need something, just leave a comment. I'll fix it up and get it to you. And finally, after tightening all the screws, we'll reattach the cabinet panel onto the door. Once everything's done and we've ensured the buttons are all correct, we'll attach that pre-printed display film, the one that goes on top, showing all the symbols and labels right in place. And finally, I'll reset the appliance to drain any water inside, and it'll be ready for use. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned for the next videos. We're all done.